Braylon, what's wrong? Okay, come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come on. Look, the number 6. The number 6. Okay. Here, put it in its place. Wait a minute. Flip it over. Let's flip it over. There we go. There we go. That's it. Thank you. Thank you, darling. You want a bat? You ready to go bye-bye? All right, I'll see you later.